Hello, this is a very quick video to show you how you can get an update for a Studio AAA software such as Dither Boy or Flareware or anything else we may release in the future. We are going to do a more typical update system, but for now I'm going to show you two methods that you have access to right now to get an update if you need it. I have got a Studio AAA account open here. This is obviously just a test account, but if you come here to downloads, I've got some textures that I was just downloading it here, but I've not got anything for any software. So as long as you are in the downloads section of the Studio AAA account, if you click here on refresh software downloads, what it's going to do is check what you've got on your account in terms of software you've purchased. And if there are any new links or if there are any links you don't have access to that you should have access to, it will then populate your account with those links, as you can see. You're also going to get your license key as well. But after clicking that button, I've got obviously the texture stayed because the textures aren't, refreshed or anything like that. You'll keep all your old downloads. But we've got Dither Boy Mac, Dither Boy Windows, and Dither Boy Intel Mac here, and then a bunch of extras as well that come with Dither Boy. So from here, I can download these, install the update, and then when a new one comes out, if that's out before we have created the new update system, you can just log back in, hit refresh again, and just get the new version there and then. If you sign into your Studio AAA account and go to orders and your Dither Boy order is not here, that means that you purchased Dither Boy either without being signed in or probably before your account was created. A lot of people purchase the software and then create the account afterwards. And I understand why, because if you've no idea who we are and you're going to try out Dither Boy and then afterwards you like it and you make an account, you might wonder why the software doesn't appear in your account. If you email support@studioaaa.com, which is always here on all of the account pages, with your order number and the email address that you used to create the account. So for example, send an email that says, "Hi, my order number is 12345. I just made an account, which is jack@gmail.com. Please can you link this order to this account?" And we will get to that. We are only a team of 2 people and it is only usually one person who manages the inbox. So if you need an update and you don't have access to the account updater, then the next best way to do it is by opening the app. Now I am in the latest version of Dither Boy here. If you're on an older version, click on help in the menu bar and you will see here, I don't have it because we changed it, but you will see here check for updates. After version 6, it is now in this settings cog next to Discord and tutorials. There's a little updates button. When you come here, it will probably look like this though in the default theme. If you click that, it will bring you to an updater form. Now if you don't have the software installed but you know your details, you know you've purchased it, you've got your purchase email open and stuff like that, then you can just enter in your browser updates.studioaaa.com/dither-boy or /Flareware. If we release another software one day and it's a 2-word name, it'll just be first word dash second word. But hopefully we do an update system that doesn't rely on this before any other software. If for any reason those two paths aren't working, which is very unlikely, you can always email us at support@studioaaa.com. As I said before though, we're a small, very, very small operation. It's really, really helpful when you email if you include what you do know. So rather than just email and saying, "I need an update for my software," if you can tell us the order number, if you can tell us the email address that you used when you purchased the software, if you can tell us which update method you've tried that didn't work, and if you can tell us the name of the software that you're trying to get an update for, or if you just contact us from the email address that you used in your original purchase, all those things help to just get it resolved in one single response. The main reason I'm making this video is just because the response to version 6 for Dither Boy has been great, but it's been a little bit overwhelming in the email inbox just because I think people are really eager to get updated, having seen all the new features we added, which is good. And I, of course, really appreciate anyone who purchases the app, but I just want to make everyone aware that we are working on a more typical update system. There are 2 update systems already in place, and basically the more information you give us when you contact just makes it more likely we can actually sort it out for you just in one single response. So that's it for this video. If you want less boring and more fun, proper tutorial content, then the rest of the channel is full of that stuff already. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.